Welcome to Chapter 3 of my video series, where primary research is summarized and synthesized for different audiences. We are now going to begin our discussion of the second half of the diagram, which covers the secondary and tertiary literature. Literature on this half may be considered scholarly, or it may be considered popular. Scholarly secondary literature is very useful in your research. The popular literature may or may not have a role to play, depending on your research need. In this video, you will learn how to determine which is which. At this point in the cycle, authors are reviewing, synthesizing, or summarizing the research reported in the primary literature. As you mature in your studies, you will begin to recognize the names of certain publishers and authors. This knowledge can guide in your choice of what secondary literature to read. Your librarian or professor can also guide you. When purchasing secondary materials for the library, librarian faculty and teaching faculty look for good book reviews and reputable publishers. We do the best we can to select wisely, but the reader is always the final judge as to the usefulness and quality of the information. As with my previous videos, I will show you examples of the types of publications you will find in this quadrant. Here is an example of a quality secondary publisher call Annual Review. AR publishes a number of annual review series on a variety of topics. The articles within answer a research question by exploring the literature to date on the topic. The articles are very scholarly and may cite 100 or more primary research articles. The library subscribes to a number of annual review publications online, and we have older ones in print. This may look like a primary research journal, but the articles represent another example of scholarly secondary research. Biological Reviews does the same thing as the annual review series, but the research questions may be more narrowly focused and the articles shorter. This slide highlights the type of language that distinguishes this as a review article. This is a good example because the language here also explains the purpose of a review article. The literature is reviewed with the purpose of guiding the next generation of researchers in the most useful direction. A good review article is a great boon to researchers. The authors have reviewed 50 studies, so you don't have to, unless you want to better understand the topic to take your research to the next level. Scholarly review publications are also available in other scientific fields, and here are some examples from chemistry and physics. This is an example of an academic or scholarly monograph, a book written for scholars or professionals in the course of their work. It is published by the Indiana Academy of Science. At the time of his death, the author, Sherman Minton, was considered the leading authority on Hoosier herpetology. Here's a similar book by another respected author and published by the University of Michigan, another quality publisher. Yet this book is defined as a popular monograph because it was written for a general audience. Here are the title pages for the same two books which we just looked at. Both are on basically the same subject, and both are by high-quality publishers and respected professionals. How do you determine which is scholarly and which is popular? Does it matter? So here's a paragraph from the popular monograph describing what Massasauga rattlesnakes eat. Take a moment to read the first 3 sentences. While the text is very descriptive and informative, there are no citations back to the primary literature. The reader must trust the author. If you want to know about Massasauga dietary habits out of curiosity, this is fine. However, if you are designing a lab trial on young Massasauga food preferences, like the one we saw published in American Midland Naturalist, you need to be more careful and thorough. A review of the literature will influence the design of the experiment, so you want to make sure you have looked at all the relevant peer-reviewed scholarly research. This paragraph from Minton's scholarly monograph also describes what Massasauga rattlesnakes eat. Notice the text I have highlighted with the red boxes. Minton provides us with in-text citations back to the primary literature, so we know exactly where he got his information. We can use the complete citations in the back of his book to access some of the primary literature on this topic and evaluate the evidence for ourselves. He also talks about his own research. Earlier we saw an example of Nobel laureate Linus Pauling's lab notes. Here is his 1960 monograph on the nature of the chemical bond. He won one of his 2 Nobel Prizes for his work in this area. He includes numerous footnotes that lead back to the primary literature. The author provides us with the evidence for the information so we can evaluate it for ourselves. Here's an example of a popular monograph written by Linus Pauling and a colleague, Roger Hayward. Popularizations are written for the non-professionals and should be interesting and enjoyable to read. The Pauling and Hayward book devotes only 1 page to each topic and has beautiful illustrations like the one you see here. Notice that there are no references back to the primary literature. Popular science magazines are similar to popular science monographs in that they present science in a way that is easy for non-scientists to understand. They rarely include references back to the primary literature and often include beautiful illustrations. Reading popular yet reputable science magazines is a good way to get research ideas or keep up on science outside of your major field of study. Scientific American, for example, is extremely reputable. It has been publishing science for non-scientists for over 100 years. Sky and Telescope is read by amateur astronomers and astronomy undergraduates. You are now ready to move on to Chapter 4, North by Northwest, where information is further distilled to be shared with learners at various levels.